Have you ever thought about making money online from the comfort of your home? Welcome to the world of freelancing, where you're the boss, choosing your clients, and setting your hours. So are you ready to dive into the world of freelancing? First off, identify what you're good at. Are you a wordsmith, a design maestro, or a coding wizard? Knowing your strengths is the first step to successful freelancing. The next step is showcasing these skills. Create a portfolio that sings your praises. This is your digital business card, a showcase of your best work that demonstrates your abilities. Make it relevant, impressive, and a true reflection of your skills. Once your portfolio is ready, you're all set to find your first client. Now comes the exciting part, finding clients. Online platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are gateways to potential clients. Craft a compelling profile and start bidding on projects that align with your skills. As a newcomer, setting competitive rates is a good strategy to attract clients and build your reputation, but don't undervalue your talent. Remember, as you gain more experience and positive reviews, you'll be able to increase your rates. Communication is key in the world of freelancing. Engage with clients, clarify expectations, and keep them in the loop. This fosters trust, ensures satisfaction, and paves the way for future collaboration. On the other hand, in this rapidly evolving digital landscape, constant learning is paramount. Embrace industry trends, take online courses, and master new technologies. Enhancing your skills not only boosts your proficiency, but also helps you stand out in a sea of freelancers. Remember, continuous learning and good communication will set you apart from the competition. So, there you have it, your first steps towards starting your freelancing journey. Identify your skills, build a portfolio, find clients, communicate effectively, and never stop learning. Let's take the leap and start freelancing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on succeeding in freelancing. Let's start making money online.